Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Carrie. If you're new here, there goes Bubba. Zoom. If you're new here, my name's Carrie, and this is my 2004 Mustang GT, aka Wiz. Today we're going to be talking about the wheels on Wiz. I've had a lot of questions about them, so I thought I'd go through and answer them. They are SVE Series 1. They are a chrome lip with a silver painted back, I guess you would say. You can get them in like different colors. So let's start with the fronts. The fronts are a 18x9. I believe the back spacing is almost 6 inches. I think it's either like 5.8 or 5.9. The offset's a plus 22 on the front, and they weigh around 22 to 23 pounds each wheel. They run $189.99, or you can get a set of 4 for $6.99. But again, so the front is a 18x9, and the rear is a 18x10. Its back space is a little over 6 inches. I think it's 6.5, if I remember correctly. And it's got a plus 25, and they weigh about 24 pounds. I think they're like 23.8 or something like that a piece. Again, they're still $189.99, $6.99 for a set of two 18x10s for the rear and two 18x9s for the front. They have a couple of packages on LMR with the tires that range from like $1,300 to $1,800, depending on what tire option you get. These came on the car when I bought the car. I did change the tires on them. They were running a Michelin Super Pilot Sport or Pilot Super Sport. They rode like crap. Didn't like them. So I went with a Nito. It's a 175 35 18 in the front and a 305 35 18 in the rear. With 18s, it's really hard to find something bigger than a 305. I don't know why. I couldn't really find many 315s, and they weren't in a Nito. The front is a Nito G2. It's the Nito NT 555 G2s, and the rear is a NT 555 drag radial. They look pretty good if you ask me. I like Nitos. The only thing I can tell you about Nitos is don't drive in the rain. You're not going to get any kind of grip. So, because they'll come right out from under you in the rain. But fortunately for me, I don't drive any of our Mustangs in the rain. I've actually got a set of G2s on the back of Devin's Mustang right now, and then we just actually bought another set of G2s to actually put on his car. Actually a whole new set of wheels and tires for show season. Overall, I'm really happy with the wheels. I think they look really good, especially on the black car. I kind of wish the back plate was a chrome, but I like the nice silver. It's not very like reflective like the lip is. It kind of just pops. I think it looks very good, and I like the offset on it. They're just clean. Again, the front is a 5.9 or 6 inch back spacing. The rear is a 6.5. Offset on the front is 22, and it's 25 on the back. And then the weight on the front is almost 23 pounds, and the back is almost 24. So they're a decent set of wheels. As I said, you can pick them up for about $700 for a whole set from Late Model Restorations. I'm not sure where the person bought these. They were, as I said, they were on the car when I bought them. I thought about changing over to black, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or not. But Becky's got a set of black wheels on her. They're 20 inch. I don't know the offset or anything like that. I don't even know what brand they were. We bought them from somebody used. He had them on a Chevelle, so could not tell you. Pause for 1 second. I apologize about that. Somebody came in the driveway. So I couldn't tell you a lot of information about that, but I am going to take them when we take them off to put his new wheels and tires on. I am going to put them on Wiz just to see how they look. They are a 20 inch. He's running a 305 35 20 on the rear because it is a 20 inch wheel, and I think it's a 275 on the, it's either a 275 or a 295 on the front. I've got too many Mustangs to remember, you guys. It gets a little confusing sometimes. Anyways, you guys, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Overall, as I said, they're a good wheel. I like them. I think they look clean on the black car. It just gives it a little bit of pop instead of it all being all black. But as I said, I might do an all black later on because I think that would just look menacing too. But I do like these. I don't plan on getting rid of them. So anyways, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy this pretty weather if you got it. We're about to get some rain, so I'm probably actually going to put Wiz back up under the shed here in a minute. But anyways, you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Y'all hustle harder.